As humans, we've become too comfortable. We've become too content. We get a little money in our pocket. We start eating good. We get in a nice little relationship. We buy a house. And then that's it. We sit around. We go work. We come home. We eat. And that's it. We get stuck in this life of mediocrity because we get comfortable, right? When you get comfortable, your motivation dies. You lose the drive. You don't want to become a better version of you because you got everything you feel you want. But you can't live another 20, 30, 40 years with the same... You can't live that long doing the same thing over and over and over again. You got to find ways to keep bettering yourself, keep bettering your family, right? Life is an evolving game. It's always changing. Yes, you want to enjoy the now, but we got to keep working for a better us, a better relationship. Because when you keep working, you keep getting stronger and stronger and stronger. And that's the idea. You want to be so strong, nothing can break you. If it's financially, you want to be so strong financially that even if you take a big loss, you can bounce right back. You want to be so strong mentally that if you and your family are having a fight, you don't just go quit on your family because you're not happy. And that's what it is. Comfortability brings weakness. And when we get comfortable, we get weak. And when we get weak, we break. In our society, a lot of times when people get married, they think that's it. I'm married. I got the one I'm going to stay with forever. That's it. I don't need to work on myself. And that's what kills me. You're starting a new chapter in your life, and you're telling me you're not going to work on yourself? You're not become better for your partner? You're not going to become better for your future kids or for the kids you have? You're just going to work that mediocre job, keep eating that mediocre food, and keep watching that the mediocre content? You're not going to read books to find out how to become a better father, a better husband? You're not going to read books how to be stronger mentally, physically, spiritually? What's the point then? Why are you getting married? Why are you living if you're just going to find that comfortable little rock and hide away? That is not living. Living is getting up every day and doing what you want to do to the best of your ability and finding ways to get better at it. Life's going to throw freaking everything at you. And when I'm saying that is, life's going to freaking throw rocks at you. Like, I mean, life is hard. Life is rough. Life is mean. Life does not care about you. Life's going to keep going. The question is, what are you going to do about it? Are you going to get up? Are you going to keep pushing? Are you going to keep fighting? Are you going to keep finding ways to become a better you for your family, for your generation, for your dynasty? See, and that's one thing I think we've lost as a society is we're living in the now. We don't even think about the future generation of our family. You get a little money, get a little food, get a little marriage, and you're comfortable, you're set. Oh, I got a nice roof over my head. I'm just going to stay quiet and stay in my house. That's how we set ourselves up for failure. That's how we gain 100 pounds. And then diseases set in. That's how we become broke and become $50, $60, $100,000 in debt. That's how we get divorced in 5-10 years. Because you're not the person that they married 5 to 10 years. You're somebody new. You got comfortable. You're sitting around. You're getting fat. You're getting lazy. You have no relationship with God. Why? Because we got comfortable. We have to find ways to stay uncomfortable. Stay pushing. Stay driving. And don't get me wrong. There's a time and place where you need to enjoy what you've earned. You know? Enjoy that beautiful house. Enjoy your wife. Enjoy your kids. But you have to realize if you're not working on a better you, all that's going to end soon. People are going to lose respect for you because you're comfortable. You know? Life is, like I said, life is evolving. Life is always changing. Yeah, you got to win yesterday.